my God. Andrew, I need you right now, honey. Well, we're back from the Florida Keys, and it is not warm here, but it is almost spring, and we should be getting started with our dreamboat project in the next few weeks. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, because more dreamboat content is coming. However,
I know, I can't wait.
Oh, me either. He's my favorite.
But. Big but.
We're really here talking about our uninvited guest. Ugh.
We had an uninvited guest. What's going on?
That's Vermin. And he's looking a little stuck in our wheel area.
Oh, God.
So I need you to pick up the ball.
I'm gonna go grab my work gloves and like maybe a screwdriver to prod him out. How did you notice this, or?
Yeah, that's not a mouse, that's a rat. No, you're gonna hurt him.
Well, he just has to go out. He just has to go out the hall.
He's very porculent.
That's adorable.
No, Andrew, no. Because if he's in our wheel, he's probably building a condo somewhere.
I don't think so. How did you see him?
With my eyeballs.
Kind of ask him gently to go there.
Okay, maybe he's so afraid of me that he's not coming out. So let me move.
Come back over my shoulder.
That's the way, right there. Nope, not that way. Nope, come on, a little lifty lift. A little lifty lift of the butt. Turn this way. Please turn to your right.
Okay, what if we bait it out with like a couple something tasty nuggets right out like a foot away?
Well, I think it's had enough food. Look at it. And I also sort of feel like maybe we don't want it to know that there's food here.
Okay, I see your point
Is
about
its little
that.
tail stuck on the other side?
No, I've seen it go back and forth.
Poor baby. Come on.
Oh, God.
Oh. Okay. What if we take paper and stuff it in the upper hole and in the lower hole behind its butt so it can only come out the side? I think we have to take the tire off and release him.
I feel like I should be able to hook him out of there with something gentle.
I don't want to hurt it.
I know.
If we move the trailer, he'll get stuck in there and sliced, so...
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the jack in a couple blocks, I think.
He is robust. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Do you know where the jack points are? Oh, the poor thing's probably terrified. I know, I'm terrified. It's free.
Probably hamster wheeling him would be a little bit cruel right now.
Come on, little Templeton. You can do it. As soon as you give him room, he's gonna run underneath this trailer. I doubt he'll come this way. Rotate it flat. Holy moly, he's huge.
Not feeling too good, I don't think.
So, is he stuck? Nope, he's just curvy. Can you give him a boost with a stick? Oh my goodness.
You just back up.
Let's take him to the woods.
Come on, little guy, we'll get you over to the stream. So watching back the footage, to me, the most amusing thing is Shanna's sort of emotional roller coaster journey. Goes from, hey, happy to be home, to realizing that possibly her home's been invaded. There's a bit of horror. There's, she's clearly advocating for its safety while wanting it to go, but safely.
Right, like I didn't want to kill it, and I love animals and I love nature. By the same time, I don't want it inside my house.
Yeah, I have to tell you, taking the tire off was a lot harder than just yanking it out of there, but I didn't do it. We got it out safely.
Ugh.
No further injury.
Yeah.
Enjoy your roller coaster.
Yeah, thanks, Andrew.
Yeah.
It was definitely a mixed bag, a mixed day, but I'm glad to be home. We're settling in. I have a little bit of cold in my chest, so I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. So if you have made it this far with our little wildlife adventure, thanks for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe. It really helps our channel.
Thanks for watching.